first guy who's ever hiccuped while he's sleeping. We're going to measure how long it is between his hiccups.
Wait for it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. They're getting shorter, slowly. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, they're getting way quicker. He's about to have a hookup explosion.
4, 5.
Keep counting, Kathy.
6, 7.
They're down to 7
1,
seconds. His contractions are down to 7
2,
seconds.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
He got rid of him, folks.
12.
He got rid of him, folks.
13. 14,
All he needed was some counting.
15.
So, moral of the story is if you count and he knows that the camera's on him, psychologically, the back subconscious.
You think he knows?
No, subconsciously he does, yeah. He knows something's going on.
He's not sleeping. Now he's sleeping.
No, he's sleeping.
Smile on his face, so
He's a smiley guy. He's a smiley guy.
My angle.
This has been a science experiment done on the 1st of January by Catherine Fyrick and Matthew Simpson. And our subject is Brian, Kevin's friend.
Yeah. This has been a great experience.
It's been a great experience, and we're ready for pizza to come here shortly. Have a great day. We're sounding off.